Francisco Morazan, the founding father of Honduras, was a leader and visionary back in the 1800s who tried to unite Central America. Historian Armando Orellana believes this great Hondurans vision may now become a reality thanks to his country's new relationship with China.
Since its founding, Honduras has longed for a railway that unites the Pacific with the Atlantic. Now that we have formal relations with China, there are great hopes that this piece of mega infrastructure can be built and the dreams of our country's founders realized.
For the country's foreign ministry, it's high on the list of infrastructure projects it will ask for China's help on.
We are very interested in the project linking the coasts. It would allow maritime cargo to move from Pacific to the Atlantic ports in 4 to 5 hours and could also include infrastructure in neighbouring El Salvador, which already has close relations with China.
Currently, the fastest way for cargo to cross the continent is through the Panama Canal, but the government here says this project could be a superior solution.
Today, given the saturation at the Panama Canal, boats sometimes have to wait as long as 10 days offshore before being allowed through, so this project could be a great provider for the region.
At San Lorenzo, Honduras's Pacific port, studies are already being made.
Technicians and engineers have come here to study the area for 2 initial projects. The first to extend the pier to allow more boats to dock, and the second to begin the first stage of the route from the coast to the start of the mountains.
For international trader Rafael Segura, who exports Honduran agricultural products, the railway would have enormous economic impact.
By connecting this country's 2 most important ports, we can connect the Asian markets directly with the European markets. That would be an enormous competitive edge for Honduras in global trade.
As Honduras's diplomatic ties to China grow, the hope here is that the mega infrastructure project linking this Pacific coast port of San Lorenzo to the Caribbean coast port of Puerto Cortes on the Atlantic may soon become a reality, transforming global trade routes in the process. Alasdair, Baverstock, CGTN, San Lorenzo, Honduras.